Can't hold it back, can't hold it back. Bounty Killer Baby Cham with a brand new track. It's been long gone. Put all those jigger fingers up. Keep them out. Hard work, the key to success. Boy, you have some boy to put in nothing at all and expect to be the best. We gonna show them why we reigning among the greatest. Cham, you started. Take them to school. Hey yo, what up with them food? I know some of them feel like I'm even started. Started right there. Alright. Bounty Killer giving you originality. Boss a shot if you respect and love the quality. Listen good and pay attention to my clarity. All of the girls never say them love my personality. Me go a foreign and big up my nationality. Me love the money but me not bout for vanity. Me see the fussy them a come with animosity. Pressure me but me not let go me sanity. Gonna fire upon a poop and me so forgot it. Cocky the yass up wheel under the ratty. Feel so bend up and a rinse under agony. Poop man for Jordan. That a yard man philosophy. Tell the shot of them full of solidarity. Tell the government free up the weed policy. How a country them pre-left in make we manage it. Trick we and them kill we with reverse psychology.